What you're looking at right now is a tower, a fraction of what we have here in the pathology department of formalin-fixed paraffin-embedded tissues, otherwise known as tissue blocks. What tissue blocks are archived samples of tissues that are either obtained from biopsies or autopsies, and these are saved here so that we can use them for retrospective studies, and we do perform lots of retrospective studies where we need to look for these blocks. So who does that? Who are the people that organize, are able to pull the blocks and help with all these retrospective studies? Those are our amazing pathology technicians. So here's a team picture of our four-person department. And here's a little bit of an older picture of Amanda and Jenny. So our two technicians, Amanda on the left, Amanda Ramkasoon, is our research and histology technician. So her job is a really important part of the hospital, and she plays a big role in our clinical research and has probably contributed to every department in helping them perform some research in some way, shape, or form. So her job is very varied. She has lots of different jobs that she does on a daily basis, and she is able to take that all in stride and do it efficiently and really well. So we're very grateful to have her. Jenny Rodriguez on the right, she is our necropsy technician. So she also has lots of jobs to do, but she assists us during the autopsies, and she's in charge of keeping us all honest upstairs. She organizes and keeps track of all the different areas of the necropsy room, and largely because of both of their efforts, we've been able to completely reorganize the necropsy room and in the last couple of years and create a new system of organization. So here again, this is Jenny and Amanda upstairs, hard at work, and where they're archiving some tissues that we may go back to, for retrospective studies and things like that. So Jenny and Amanda are largely behind the scenes, but they play a really important role in our hospital, and they should be recognized for that. So thank you to both of them. I'm just going to show you a few examples of their work. So here is a paper, a case report, a dog with an aortic coarctation, which is an abnormality of the aorta. So Dr. Fox and I were able to show the changes, and we were able to correlate it with the gross findings, mostly because of the fact that Amanda was able to get these amazing tissue sections for us. So nobody can really cut tissues as well as Amanda can. People always remark on the high quality of some of the histo slides that she does for us, and this is a great example of that. So, she was able to take this really thin aortic section and, generate slides that really nicely correlate with the gross findings and the imaging findings. And she does this time and time again and allows us to do these write-ups and case reports, and that is really helpful to part of the research that we do here. This is another figure just to show the H&E and trichrome stains that she does for us. So in addition to not only cutting these gorgeous slides and sections on a daily basis, she also does special stains. And the special stains, unfortunately, we do ask for a lot of special stains, and she very graciously gives us trichromes on pretty much every cardiology case, and she even will do stains that she's not familiar with, and ordering the stain kits and everything, which is really incredible and really useful. So thank you. Now, just onto a little bit of Jenny's work, and this doesn't even cover, again, a small fraction of what she's done. But so she's been able to archive and organize a lot of the tissue samples that we have up in the autopsy room, and she's made our lives much easier on a daily basis. It's easier to find things. It's easier to go back and trim things. And so her organizational capabilities have really made things a lot easier up there. So because of her meticulous organizing qualities, which pretty much don't extend from the necropsy room to other aspects of our departmental workflow, she is able to stay a step ahead of me all the time. I'm always asking her what we need to do, and she always knows it. So because of her efforts, we have been able to, just make our flow a lot easier in the pathology department. So we just wanted to say thank you from Dr. DeVirio and myself, and the rest of the hospital. Thank you to Jenny and Amanda for your amazing work. Your great efforts don't go unnoticed, and we all know that this department wouldn't run without you. So thank you so much.